In this video, I'm going to introduce the new design made by the 13x4 frontal together with a cap. I will show you the very details, the special artwork at the back, the nape here. This is the frontal. This is the frontal 13x4. This is the frontal 13x4, and we saw it with a cap like this together with a cap. This is a cap. This is a cap. This one, and we saw it. I saw it with a frontal like this. The specialty here is the nape. You see, here we make some hairline at the nape, the back side here. This, so you can see it's very natural, because when customer buy the frontal and the bundles, after they saw the bundles at the nape area, there are only the check, the bundle, the web check. But at this area, the nape area, we make it we make some hairline. It is hand tie here. It is hand tie here. So I will compare together with it. This is the lace frontal. No, it's the lace front wig. Sorry, lace front wig. You see, after we saw the web at the nape area, you can see it's not that very natural look, because there are the web saw here. You see the web, you can only see the web here. It's not that natural at the nape area. But you see here, the nape here no web soft here. It's only the natural hairline. It's only the natural hairline. Let me show you the difference. This, I'm sure you can see the difference. Here is web, is the web bundle web soft here, but you see the nape area we make here is different. It's very natural, because this is the front, and we saw the web here up to behind this hair. We saw the web behind this hairline. So after you install, after you make the bundles after you saw the bundle, it would look like this. It's very good to make a ponytail. This is the front side, right? This is the front side. But customer can buy two bundles and the new design 13x4 frontal cap to saw the bundle here. And of course you need to saw the bundle here from here, right? You need to saw the bundle here, up this area. We saw the bundle here. You see, the bundle you saw is at the upper side, but we already make some hairline here. So after you do that, after you make a ponytail, it's very natural. You see, it's already covered. This area already covered the bundle you saw here. You can cover it. You see. Then after you make a ponytail, it's very natural. You see, you only see the hairline here. This is a natural hairline at the nape area. Yep, I'm sure you understand me. This, because the bundles are inside, is already covered by this natural hairline. The hair we hand tie already, so it's very natural. You see? So I will show you another one. This one is the normal one. This one is the normal one. This wig is made by Frontal and the bundles. You see? You see? You only can see the web, the bundle sort here. The track is very obvious. The track is very obvious, and without any hairline. You see, without any natural hairline. The finish line is only the bundle, the track. You can see this is the finish line. This is the finish line I was telling you. So it's the same thing. The nape, this is the normal. This is the finish line. At the nape here. This is the finish side, the bundle, the track is obvious. Obvious, you can see. So you see, this finish line, let me show you again. This is the finish line. This is the finish line, natural hairline. You see, after you pull the hair up, this is the finish line, you can see. Without any bundle, without any track, it's very natural. Because the bundle you saw inside is already covered by this hair, and after you pull the hair up, it's already covered. It's very natural. So this is the new design. Let me show you how it will look, because I think only two bundles and this one can make a very, very natural look. You see, this one. This is how we pull the ponytail up. Very natural. This one, right? This is from the front side, and the back side. You only need to sew the two bundles here, and it will be very natural looking. Of course, you can make it 3 bundles, but some customer will like it natural. Some customer like it very full. Much more volume, that depends on you. So the point talking about is the nape area, very natural finish line, This one is the new design we make for some customers. Now we have a 16-inch, the hair length 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch. Yes, I want to point out that this one is the 13x4. This one is the 13x4 frontal, made with the cap. The 13x4 frontal. Some customers, they will like deeper parting. It means the longer parting. So you need to make by 13x6. 13x6, then it can be deeper parting. Because this is the new design, we're just still studying, and we have some stocks. So you have special requirements, just tell us, then we can make for you. I hope you enjoy this new design. And also, of course, we can do customized order like brown color, and different colors, but need to wait. So you just let us know what you want. But now the stock we have is this one is 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch. So only straight texture, because this is the new design, straight texture. So you can send us your inquiries, let us know what you want, then we can make it for you. Thank you very much.